great Alpine, bright 19-foot van. As you can see, this is a touring van for a couple. I'll start on the outside. Again, a GNS Australian built Australian steel chassis, very important. Stability control and a jockey wheel, gas, all the usual things you'd find in a van. If we go around here, again, you've got this huge hatch, ideal for all your storage, awning attachments, your fishing rods. You may even choose to have a kitchen, slide out kitchen here or a barbecue. Great place to have that. You got stabilizer legs. Again, I keep harping on about these awnings. This is the Aussie Traveller awning, the best awning in the business. Huge windows, outside entertainment. You've got this table. When you pull up on the side of the road, you open this table, make a coffee. You've got an entertainment hatch here. You can pop your TV on there, plug it in, and watch a bit of TV if you're camping for the night somewhere or in a caravan park. So this is a touring van, and as you can see, it has these beautiful mags with 15-inch wheels. In a touring van, you're probably better off to be further down with smaller wheels. It helps with fuel economy and all that sort of stuff. Here again, we have the Aussie Traveller door step. It's a manual step. You pull it in and out. It's quite easy. On the rear, you can see the bumper, the spare tyre, and obviously the all-important reversing camera. You need that not just for when you're reversing, but actually more importantly when you're driving, you want to see who's behind you. So this is a Safety Dave camera, great piece of gear. So that was the outside, but I'm pretty keen to have a look and see what's inside of this van. Wow, this 19-footer has a fantastic interior. As you can see, you've got the sink, the stove, the oven, lots of drawers, storage. You've even got a small pantry here for all your oils and vinegars and whatever. Ample room up the top here. Generally, I like to store plates and cups and things that are light. You want to keep heavy things further down, lighter things up the top. You've actually got a range hood in here as well when you're cooking with the stove underneath. Lovely chrome sink. I know everyone is raving on about the black sinks, but I personally actually prefer the chrome, particularly in this stylish van. So as you can see here, we have the queen size caravan bed, storage, lockers for all your clothes. You've got underbed storage, the usual sort of things. Yeah. You've got nooks for your laptops and your phone charging, or your CPAP machine for that matter. You've got drawers here. You've got Sirocco fans. You've got a skylight here, or a vent that you can open and look at the stars. TV bracket here, which can be rotated towards the seating area. Now let me show you that seating area. Seating area here can easily take 4 people. But this is a couple's van. I think with 2 people, it's very comfortable. You got your entertainment. Again, more storage here for food or whatever you choose to put up here. You've got your caravan microwave, the fridge. This is again a Dometic, a new range of Dometic fridges. It's lockable, so when you're traveling, again, lots of storage of food. You've got storage here for shoes under your seat. So no space has been wasted. Again, this caravan can be built to your specifications, but in this case it has 2 batteries, 2 solar panels, but you can do, you can spec this up to whatever you like, whether it's lithiums or AGMs or inverters, whatever you choose. The team at Great Alpine can custom make anything you need. So again, the true test of any caravan is its bathroom, and this one is true to its word. It is amazing. It is roomy. So notice this bathroom is slightly larger than any sort of 19-foot caravan, but you've got your sink, you've got your washing machine, toilet, and lots of storage. So overhead, plenty of room for your things you may want to take with you on the trip. And if you swing around here, again, this amazing large shower. And with 2 90-litre water tanks, you can be off-grid for 4 or 5 days and enjoy that freedom of travel and exploring this country. So this is a Great Alpine 19-foot couples van. Again, another great product by Great Alpine. So this is the Great Alpine 19 foot Bright. A great van for a couple who want to explore Australia. So you definitely should consider this van. It's a great bit of gear.